You need to see this. Do you want to create and share amazing video content online? If so, you probably know that YouTube is one of the most popular platforms for doing that. But you also know that making YouTube videos can be hard, time-consuming, and costly. What if I told you that you can use artificial intelligence to make YouTube videos faster, easier, and better? AI is the technology that allows machines to do things that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, and generating content. In this video, I will show you 10 ways to use AI to make YouTube videos, and I will also give you some examples of tools and services that can help you with that. Sounds awesome, right? Well, before we dive in, please hit that like and subscribe button to support my channel and get more amazing videos like this one. Are you ready to learn how to use AI to make YouTube videos? Let's go. Number 1, use AI to generate video from text. Imagine typing out any idea or topic you have and having an AI video generator create a video for you with video clips, subtitles, background music, and transitions. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what you can do with AI video generators. They are one of the most innovative ways to use AI to make YouTube videos because they can save you a lot of time and effort in finding and editing footage as well as writing a script. Some examples of AI video generators are Capwing, Synthesia, and InVideo. Number 2, use AI to edit video by editing the script. Editing video can be a tedious and time-consuming process, especially if you use a traditional video editor. But what if you could edit video by editing the script? That's what you can do with AI-powered tools that transcribe your video into text, and then let you edit the text to change the video accordingly. For example, you can cut, copy, paste, or rearrange parts of the text to edit the video segments, or add or delete words to change the subtitles or voiceover. This can make editing much easier and faster than ever before. An example of an AI tool that lets you edit video by editing the script is Descript. Number 3, use AI to polish video with AI tools. If you want to make your videos more appealing and professional looking, you can use AI tools that can polish your video with various enhancements. For example, you can use AI tools that can stabilize shaky footage, remove background noise, adjust color and lighting, add filters and effects, or crop and resize your video for different platforms. These tools can help you improve your video quality and appearance and make your videos stand out from the crowd. An example of a video editor that offers AI tools to polish your video is Wondershare Filmora. Number 4, use AI to experiment with generative AI. Do you want to create unique and original content for your YouTube videos that can stand out from the crowd? If so, you should experiment with generative AI, which is a type of AI that can create new content from scratch or based on existing content. For example, you can use generative AI to create realistic or stylized images, animations, or videos from text descriptions, sketches, or photos. You can also use generative AI to modify or transform existing images, animations, or videos with different styles, effects, or features. These techniques can help you unleash your creativity and make your YouTube videos more interesting and engaging. 3 examples of tools that let you experiment with generative AI are Midjourney, Runway, and Playground AI. Number 5, use AI to use digital avatars. What if you could create videos without needing a camera, microphone, or studio setup? What if you could use digital avatars instead of real actors or yourself? A digital avatar is a computer-generated representation of a person that can speak, move, and express emotions like a human. You can use digital avatars to create engaging and diverse content for your YouTube videos without any limitations or constraints. You can also customize the appearance and voice of your digital avatar to suit your preferences or brand identity. This can help you make your YouTube videos more fun and personal. An example of a service that lets you use digital avatars is Synthesia. Number 6, use AI to create photo videos instantly. Do you have a lot of photos and clips that you want to turn into a video slideshow? If so, you can use AI to create photo videos instantly by uploading your photos and clips and customizing them with color and music. You can use an AI tool that can automatically arrange your photos and clips into a stunning and dynamic photo video, and then let you adjust the style, mood, and duration of your video. This can help you make beautiful photo videos in minutes without any editing skills. An example of an AI tool that can create photo videos instantly is Steve AI. Number 7, use AI to repurpose content for multiple platforms. If you want to reach a wider audience and optimize your content strategy, you can use AI to repurpose your existing content for multiple platforms and formats. You can use an AI tool that can automatically convert your blog posts, podcasts, articles, or other types of content into engaging YouTube videos. You can also use an AI tool that can automatically resize, crop, or adapt your YouTube videos for different social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This can help you make the most of your content and grow your online presence. An example of an AI tool that can repurpose content for multiple platforms is Peach. Number 8, use AI to optimize your video SEO. Do you want to rank higher on YouTube search results and attract more views and subscribers? If so, you can use AI to optimize your video SEO or search engine optimization. You can use an AI tool that can help you improve your video title, description, tags, thumbnails, and captions to make your videos more discoverable and appealing. You can also use an AI tool that can help you analyze your video performance and audience behavior and provide you with insights and recommendations to grow your channel. An example of an AI tool that can optimize your video SEO is TubeBuddy. Number 9, use AI to generate captions and subtitles. If you want to make your videos more accessible, inclusive, and engaging for a global audience, you can use AI to generate captions and subtitles for your videos. You can use an AI tool that can automatically transcribe your video audio into text and then sync it with your video timeline. You can also use an AI tool that can automatically translate your captions and subtitles into different languages and then display them on your video screen. This can help you reach more viewers and increase your watch time. An example of an AI tool that can generate captions and subtitles is Subtly. Number 10, use AI to create music and sound effects. Music and sound effects can add more emotion, atmosphere, and personality to your videos, but they can also be hard to find or create. That's why you can use AI to create music and sound effects for your videos. You can use an AI tool that can generate original music and sound effects based on your video theme, mood, genre, or style. You can also use an AI tool that can mix and match different music tracks and sound effects to create a custom soundtrack for your video. This can help you make your videos more unique and captivating without any copyright issues or royalty fees. 2 examples of AI tools that can create music are JukeDeck and SoundRaw, and that's the end of this video. You just learned 10 ways to use AI to make YouTube videos in 2023. AI can help you with every aspect of video creation, from generating ideas and content to editing and polishing to optimizing and distributing. By using these AI tools and services, you can create high quality and engaging YouTube videos that can reach and impress millions of viewers online, while saving time, money, and effort. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.